had as a community watch. I was on my way home from work and saw this. Pretty bad.
Are you going to go with him? Are you going to go with him?
I'm going to go get a hold of my sister.
You out the window?
Austin! I have my friend's kids too, but I left them.
I got in a head-on collision. I was in a wheelchair for 3 years. That seatbelt will save your life.
Oh yeah, definitely.
If he wouldn't have been ejected, he would have been a lot safer.
Yeah, he wasn't really paying attention, I guess. I don't know. I saw him kind of just slowly.
Well, I didn't see anybody moving in the car. I was like, what's like? I didn't see him. I didn't know he was about to. Yeah.
Is this where he landed right here?
He landed over here, yeah. And then everybody like started rushing over here to bring them like the blankets, the towels, the mats, and stuff. Like everybody came together for that.
From that side, from that transmission.
Like there was people running to get this stuff.
If there was no cops and no firemen, this is what we used to do. Back in the day when we were just communities without all that, we would all come and help each other. And that's really everybody's nature.
Like, active humanity.
You know, if you look at 9/11, there was a lot of firemen, but most of the people that saved people were just regular people like you and me. Civilians, yeah. We're always the ones at ground zero. You know, they're always responding to what happens. We're always there.
I see this stuff on the news, but I've never seen this happen.
I'm just glad Jimmy's not dead.
I know. I didn't know what to. I didn't see anybody moving in there, so I didn't know.
I'd be unfortunate not to be paying attention.
That's a big truck too.
I think he stopped. Like I think he was just rolling.
He just rolled through.
I don't know.
Yeah. Anyway, should I leave it?
Are we okay to go? Okay. You have a good
Take
one.
care.
You too. God bless. So he was ejected all the way to here from his car.
They're fine. Everybody's going to be okay. Transport them again right down to Victor Valley. They're fine. They're going to take it in.
All right, just covering the stuff that happens in our community. Hopefully he's okay. Crazy stuff, huh? Crazy stuff. That's what a 3,000-pound vehicle will do.